So when we talk about the area of the circle, many people use a formula like this one: r squared times pi is the area of circle. But some textbook or some engineers use a formula called diameter square times 0.7854 as the area of circle. Where this formula come from? Basically, these two formula is same. If you look into this formula a little deeper, you look into this formula a little deeper, you can explain the formula this way. Radius is half of diameter. So this formula, instead of a radius, I can put this way: diameter over 2 and square times pi. Okay, and this bracket, I can open up this bracket by this square on the top, my numerators and denominator. I can open up the bracket, so it can be written this way: diameter square over 2 square times pi. That becomes diameter square 4 times pi. Since this is a multiplication of a fraction and a decimal, I can move things around this way: diameter square times pi over 4. And also I can take it apart this way: diameter square times pi over 4. So if you using your calculator, if you put the pi divided by 4, that number becomes 0.7854, and it keep going. Okay. That's where this formula came from. That's where this formula came from. This formula is particularly useful when you wanna, if you don't have a calculator, you want to just estimate the area. Okay, for example, if my diameter of circle, let's say that's a 12 inches. Okay, to figure out the area of circle, all you have to do to estimate the area of this circle is 12 square times, because of 0.7854 is very close to 80%, 0.8, which is 80%. 144 times 80% becomes about 115. Okay, but if you put this number in a calculator, 12 squared times 0.7854, that number, I believe it comes out 113.809 something. Okay, so you can see how close these two numbers is. So if you don't have a calculator, then you have to figure out the area of the certain circle. Then this is pretty good way to estimate the area of the circle.